Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your home screen and reduce distractions, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable app icon badges for default notifications on Dropbox. No more little red dots or numbers sitting on your Dropbox icon. Just a tidier phone, so you can focus on what matters. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your main settings menu. This is usually an app with a gear-shaped icon. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and find the option labeled Apps. Tap on that to bring up a list of all your installed applications. Next, look through the list and find Dropbox. If you don't see it immediately, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Tap on Dropbox to open its dedicated app settings. Now, you'll see a variety of options for the Dropbox app. Find and tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly how and when Dropbox will alert you. Within the Notifications section, you'll notice an option called Notification Categories. Tap on this to reveal more detailed controls for different kinds of notifications Dropbox can send. Among these categories, look for one labeled Default. This handles standard, everyday Dropbox notifications. Tap on Default to adjust its settings. Here's the important step. Toggle off app icon badges. This simple switch will prevent Dropbox's default notifications from adding that little badge or number to the app's icon on your home screen. That's it. You've now disabled app icon badges for default notifications on Dropbox. This means no more distracting dots or numbers popping up beside your Dropbox app, helping your home screen look cleaner and feel calmer. If at any point you change your mind, just follow these same steps to toggle the badges back on. Thanks for watching.